welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to be snatching up the face, guys. We are not going to be glamming up because this is entirely different. We are going to be creating this amazing snatched makeup look, and I'm going to be showing you guys the entire tutorial step by step exactly how we achieve this look. So if you are interested, if you want to snatch up your face a little bit or a lot, then you definitely do want to keep on watching, and let's just get right into this tutorial. Hey loves, so we are going to get started. Now typically on my channel I would do like a very everyday friendly glam, but today I don't know why I'm holding this, so I just want to wipe my face. Now today I think I want to snatch my face. I want to go the extra mile. I want to not look really different, but I want to look snatched basically. So first things first, I'm just going to wipe my face using my rose water toner. I'm just going to cleanse my face. I'm going to take off the excess glue from my lace. Okay, so now I'm going to proceed with my hydrating serum. This is going to hydrate my face. Now typically I have a dry skin, so I always love going heavy on hydration when it comes to like skin prep. So I'm just going to use a lot of hydrating product, a lot of moisturizers, just to get my face, you know, hydrated and ready for the makeup. Okay, so I went ahead to prep my skin, moisturize it, hydrate. As you guys are seeing, it looks like glowy, dewy, hydrated, and this is basically what I do. So I'm going to be using this primer from Revolution Pro. This is what it looks like. I'll put the name next to it because the name has wiped off. I love this because it blurs out my pores. I'm going to just be putting this on the center of my face using my hands. So just place that, but like it's just blurring out my face. So next up, I'm going to go in with my highlighter. This is a Sunrise Glow by Black Opal. I'm just going to show you guys right now, and this is what it looks like. I'm going to be using this just on the center or the high point of my face, just typically where I would highlight. I want to have like a glow, a summer glow from within look, if that makes sense. So I'm going to blend this out just using my finger. Okay, so I typically would never do this first, so we're gonna just try this out because I'm gonna be doing my brows first before my eyeshadow as well as my skin prep. Now I typically would do my skin first before going in with like eye product and brow product, but like I said, I want to snatch my face using a brow tamer or a brow gel. This one is from a brand called Glam Girl. It's a Nigerian brand. I'm not sure if I'm a huge fan of this, but we have this, so we're just going to be working with this for now. I'm just going to brush out my brows and get it ready for drawing. Okay guys, so when I had to do my brows, this is typically not how I would do my brows. I don't carve it this detailed anymore. I go for like the soft, natural, just filled in type of brows. But like I said, we are snatching our face up today. So next up, I'm gonna do my eyes. I don't know why I'm doing this in this particular order. I feel like this might just be a change for me. So I'm gonna go in with my P. Louise base. Romo. I usually use Romo 3. This is Romo 2, so I picked the wrong shade, but it's fine. Okay, so I'm going to be using my Bronzed Glow palette from Revolutions Pro. I've never actually used this eyeshadow before, this palette before, but I'm going to be working with this today just because I feel like I'm in the mood for this color. This is the Color Focus Shadow Palette, and all the shades in here look so amazing. I'm just going to start working with them. So for the first shade, I'm going to go in with this very neutral tone just to kind of, I want to say set, but not really set, just act as my first transition shade. I'm going to put that on my crease first before I go ahead to blend it out. So next up, I am going to go in with this shade just a little bit, just to make that color pop a little bit more, but I'm going to go just lower than so I'm going to go in with this brown and a bit of this black to deepen the outer corners. Okay, loves, so I went ahead to do my brows. I'm not sure if I'm feeling it like that. I don't know. But I'm gonna fix my lashes, but I'm trying to let the glue dry down just a little bit so it gets a little bit tacky. But in the meantime, instead of just wasting my time, I'm going to go ahead to bronze my face, basically contour my face. I'm going to be using a darker foundation because I already have this basically. I have this foundation, it's like 2 shades darker than me, so rather than waste it or throw it away, I'm going to be using it to contour basically. So I'm just going to apply this in areas where I would typically bronze my face or contour foundation. So I'm just going to do this right now, and as you guys can see, it's almost blending into my skin. But again, like I said, it is like 2 shades darker than me, so I'm just going to use that to lightly bronze or chisel out my face. To be honest with you, I can actually use this foundation as my actual foundation shade, just that I would have to color correct with highlighting and with my powder, but so far so good. I think it looks decent. So what I want to do next up is I want to contour my nose a little bit, just because, like I said, we are snatching up our face today. I feel like this foundation will be perfect again because it's like a belly there, but it's there basically. So now I think my lashes are dry. I'm just going to go ahead to just pop on my lashes. So I'm gonna go in with my foundation, and for my foundation I'm going to be using this Maybelline Fits Me in the shade Warm Olive, guys. This is what it looks like. I got this shade, and also it also oxidizes. That's also something to note. So even though it's looking really bright now, it's gonna get like 2 shades darker in a minute. I'm also going to be using my lipstick as my liquid blush shades. I'm going to be using an orange, sort of red, bright red orange shade. Just take a little bit of that and place that right here. Blend all this in. So I'm just gonna take out the excess product and just blend everything all in like so. Okay, now we are looking good. I'm gonna go in with my highlighter. Just going to apply that. Let me just put down the back of my palm and just place that. I'm going to be sure to also snatch my nose as well. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly blend this in. I'm literally just going to push and roll, press and roll lightly. I don't want to spread the product. I just want it to kind of fade in to the rest of the skin product. This is what my face is looking like. Obviously, it still needs a little bit more blending, but I'm gonna go in with another concealer shade, just a shade lighter, to further brighten up the center of my, just underneath my eyes, right here and right here. Again, like I said, I want to basically snatch my face. I'm just going to use that same foundation shade that I used to kind of bronze out my entire face. Just a little bit of it. I'm literally wiping it off at the back of my hands. Can you see my face? Oh, yeah. And I'm going to use that to just shapen my nose, just on the bridge of my nose. Alright, so I've blended in everything and I'm super like satisfied with what I have going on right now. So what I'm going to do now, or next up, is to just set my entire face and then do like the last bit of my makeup. So I'm just going to set my entire face right now and we're just going to run through that right now. Even lie, I am loving what my face is looking like right now. I'm so tempted to kind of smoke out my bottom lash, so we're just going to do a little bit of it using the brown that we used. I'm not sure if this is going to be a good idea, but let's just do that, just a little bit. Alright guys, so this is what we are looking like. I want to put some mascara on my bottom lash and then let me just highlight my face so that I could be done with my face and I can move on to the next. Wow, my palette is so dirty. So I'm gonna just apply a little bit of highlight on my face, just on the high point of my face. Again, I would want this highlight to be really soft, not so blinding or like sultry at the same time. Sultry, sexy, beautiful, like everything basically. I'm gonna just apply a little bit of mascara on my bottom lash just to add more flare to my eyes, so that my eyes looks a little bit more flirtatious, and then kind of dust out the setting powder underneath my eyes when I'm done. Okay, now for my lips, I'm just going to do a nude lip, guys. I know I'm basic, but I feel like this just works for me anytime I'm doing like a snatch look, either nude or red. I feel like red might be too much, but I just want that really sultry, snatched nude look basically. So I'm gonna just use a nude lipping, and I can always top this up with maybe a pink or a nude toned gloss. Let me just mix nude and pink in. This typically works for me. Lastly, I will just go in with a gloss just to add that, you know, sexiness to it, but I'm not going to gloss it up yet because I want to straighten my hair. Let me just set my entire face with my setting spray and dust off this excess powder. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I'm definitely in love with it. I feel like I'm playing it too safe these days, but I love the pop on my eyes. I love the nudes. I'm just in love with the entire vibe and the entire look. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. You guys have been asking for makeup tutorials for some weird reasons. I feel like I do the same thing over and over again, but I hope this would be a different routine, a different technique with my makeup. But yeah, let me know what your thoughts are with this look. I'm in love with it because she is looking like a whoo, like this is snatched. This is not like my everyday makeup look. This is the look that I will make when I want to go out intentionally, right? When I intentionally want to go out on a date, to the club, party, dinner, whatever, and I want to like twist necks and break necks, this is what I would go for. But yeah, let me know what your thoughts are down in the comment section. If you guys like this look, give me a thumbs up, comment down, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Before you leave, make sure you subscribe if you are yet to subscribe, join the family. Let me know what other looks you guys would want. Yeah, let me know down in the comment section. And I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Till then, make sure you stay fabulous and you stay blessed. Bye, loves.